All right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So I finally got my hands on this headband wig from Myfirstwig. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so for the fastest wig install ever, this is all I'm gonna do. First, just gonna prep my hair really fast, just spraying a little bit of the MyFirstwig leave-in conditioner in my hair. And because my hair is so dry and so in need of some TLC, I'm just adding in this type 4 hair cream from the Main Choice all over, doing my best to really get to my ends, which of course we know are the oldest part and need the most TLC. And then lastly, I'm just gonna take this melanin hair care oil and really focus that on my ends as well and throughout the rest of my hair as best as I could. Next, I'm going to take this oldie but goodie, some Gorilla Snot, you guys, super sticky, and use this to lay my edges. I've recently rediscovered this Gorilla Snot, and it's been giving me some good looks. Like, the turnout has been really good. So that's all I'm using for today as far as edge control, and that's all you really have to do for this look. So I'm just going to take my edge brush, do a little, swoop-de-swoops around my hairline, just to give a little bit of personality. Of course, this is optional, but of course do as you please, y'all. And after I finish laying my edges, I'm simply going to add on a stocking cap right here. And because I was just being super extra with this look, I decided to just go back in and do my edges just a little bit more exaggerated than what they were. And then lastly, I'm just going to put a scarf on and lay these bad boys down for about 10 minutes. Y'all, already starting on a good foot. No hairsprays, no GOT2B glue, no nothing already, and we are halfway done. So of course this wig is from Myfirstwig. These are just the 2 headbands they sent me along with a few other goodies. So we've got a comb, a wax stick, some clips, and of course some good old necessary bobby pins. And lastly, a wig stand. So let's get into the actual unit. So this is how it comes, you guys. This is their 16-inch Yaki headband wig. No lace, no anything. You are really just throwing this unit on and going. So perfect for all of my teachers that are doing virtual learning, all of my essential workers, or anyone who just doesn't want to deal with their hair. This is perfect for you guys. I'm so in love with this wig. So let me show you how to apply this. You just put it on your head, put the combs in, you guys. Be careful with these combs. You don't want it taking out any parts of your hair because they can do that. So just be really gentle. And then I'm gonna turn around to show you guys the back. So I'm just going to clip my hair up and then take those Velcro straps and just, Velcro it in the back. And that's gonna hide any tracks or anything that you need hidden. And it honestly, it just looks like a black headband. You really don't have to put anything on top of this headband if you don't want to, but you can. Another thing is, as far as how to maintain this wig, you guys, I would simply wash it with my favorite things to wash my wig with, which is going to be the Aussie Moist collection. So the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. And I highly recommend letting this wig air dry. 9 times out of 10, you guys, 99.9% of the time, I let all of my units air dry. That's just to increase the longevity of the wig, especially because with this Yaki unit, I know that I'm gonna end up flat ironing it a bit. And as I'm flat ironing right here, I am just using a regular old brush, taking bigger sections, and I think I'm on 400 degrees. I did not want this super bone straight because I love the bounce in it, the softness of the hair. I just like the body, the luster, everything was on point. The texture is perfect, and it's also the length. The length on this is 16 inches, and it does come longer, but for me, for like a wig that I would just want to put on and go and not have to do too much with, I just thought 16 inches was the perfect length to not have to really deal with too much hair, if that makes sense. So this is how it looks, y'all, all straightened. And this is the back. Look at that swing. You got some little swing to it and everything. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. You just can't tell me it doesn't. So just gonna switch my headbands out and do a few different styles for you guys. So just adding on this cute little leopard print headband just to, switch it up a bit. Honestly, y'all, I just felt really cute. I had text my sister-in-law. I was like, y'all need this unit, like for real, for real. One is a teacher, and then my sister, she works in corporate America. But I just thought these were perfect for their jobs, very easy, and just showing you how it looks in a ponytail. I do want to point out, just in case you are wanting to like really wear this in a high ponytail like this, the back isn't super flat, but the ponytail hides it, which I'm gonna show you guys like coming up right here. So just keep that in mind. So here just threw on a different headband, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys how it looks half up, half down. So you have some options with this unit. You can still be cute in no time, and your hair underneath is still protected. So great job, Myfirstwig. This is an absolute must-have, and the price point is perfect too. I believe this unit is coming in at around $130, exactly like mine. Of course, all the information will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.